Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You need iPhone 15 Plus running iOS 17. 4 or later and reasonable battery. Once you confirm that, turn off low power mode so the system allows persistent display features. Now open Settings and tap Display and Brightness. This gets you to Always on Display controls. Tap Always on Display to begin configuring. You're doing this to keep essential info visible while saving power. The phone dims instead of fully lighting the screen, which balances utility and battery life. Once Always on Display is toggled on, choose a view that fits your needs. Minimal preserves battery, Full shows more complications, and Custom lets you combine widgets and clock styles. Make sure to add only 1-3 widgets to limit power draw. Pick notifications previews if you want quick glances. Then adjust brightness and reduce motion to lower power use. Also check focus schedules so sleep focus doesn't blank the screen. This ensures the display behaves predictably across your day. Finish by locking the phone and verifying the dimmed Always on Display shows clock, widgets, and chosen notifications. Make adjustments if items are missing. If it doesn't appear, reboot the phone first, then update iOS and confirm low power mode is off. If needed, reset display settings. One key troubleshooting tip: inspect battery health and the ambient light sensor area. Very low battery or a covered sensor can force deeper dimming. Once resolved, you'll have reliable, always-on glanceable info without constant wake-ups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.